Well, good morning, everyone. Sorry about that. Seems like, yeah, seems like I didn't have the sound activated. Something happened. Uh, I remember that I pushed that button, but seems like I was on mute. Good morning. Let's see what we have on daily. I was speaking by myself, but for 2 minutes, but I'm used to that. Yeah, okay. Daily market is strong. You can see it. Yeah, we had a rejection here from 61.8 from the entire range. That tells me two things. Yeah, market is pretty strong, the rejection was weak, and the market is respecting the overall fib, not the level here. Yeah, equal highs here, swing high, but the old one, the all-time high. You can see exactly at 61.8 we rejected. Okay, means the fib is correctly drawn. I think we can push here in the deeper in the short reload zone, at least retesting this big EM. We can push higher than that, yeah. If big players like BlackRock and they'll keep shilling Bitcoin, they'll push it to new highs. Seems like they are trying to get public in crypto again, and we need public. Until now, we didn't saw too many new money. We are just playing around between us. So if we want Bitcoin above 60, 70, 100k and altcoins to the moon, we need new money. And seems like BlackRock and other big players are trying to do that. When you see them publicly saying, okay, Bitcoin is the best thing, usually it's a sign that maybe it's too late to buy Bitcoin. That doesn't mean you cannot buy altcoins or what you see below 61.8, 78.6. But I don't see the risk to reward buying Bitcoin at above 60k. Yeah, we can go to 120, but there are better plays here. Bitcoin was a good play when we bought it at 20k, 25. Above 60k, no. Okay, let's see what we have on the indicators. You can see we had bullish divergence here. We spoke about this. Well, it's bullish, it's strong. We could reject from exactly the trend line. W breakout accepted above 60k, and now we tested the short reload zone. Let's see what market will do, but like I said, I'm assuming that the market wants a bit higher. 69k, it's a pretty important level. Yeah? All-time high, that will be an inflection point. If we'll accept above 69, then okay. The road to 80, 90, 100 is it's free. Level by level, we should be mostly on the sidelines here on Bitcoin. Deeper in the short reloads on 69, we can accept back below and we can play short. But here in the middle, just below 61.8, no. At least not on daily. Not a good location for us. On lower time frame, everyone knows that we are playing. We are playing short, we are playing longs. Doesn't matter. But on higher time frame, maybe it's just me, but I'm preferring EM here deeper in the short reload zone. Here, no. Oh, that's daily. Let's see total a little bit. Well, we are still in this flag, this downtrend. If we'll accept above these levels and we'll push higher, okay, then we can do an AB equals CD. For the moment, we are in the short reload zone and we are trying to form a range here, kind of. Total 2 looks similar. Total 3, same idea. We still have these M's above us. It's that simple. We need to clear everything to push higher. I said I'll look at Bitcoin on weekly every day, so let's do that. Okay. On weekly, nobody could say that Bitcoin is weak. Look at the strength. Last week, this week. Okay, we don't know where this candle will close. Could close bearish, could close a lot more higher. But for the moment, Bitcoin looks strong. Careful in the short reload zone. we can have a triple top here. I don't know what will happen, but for the moment market is strong. Like I said, last weekend something changed in the market. Now I think we can go on our usual template. On daily, on the hedge trade. Still active. It's up to you what you are doing with this one. If you want to put your stop loss scratch, okay, no big deal. But that's that intention, that hedge was to protect our capital, not to make too much money. I suggested to sell some here if you want, but I'll keep the trade on the screen just to see it, just to see the hedge, but nothing else. Okay, 4 hour chart. I want to see 4 hour chart. And I'll show you why. On 4 hour chart, we already have some weakness signs. Yeah? That doesn't mean we have a setup. And we don't have a setup because we are below 61.8. So from the start, we don't have location. Yeah, we need the market higher for us to think, okay, we can find a general setup or anything else. Now, you can see here, bearish divergence, high, higher high, high, lower high confirmed here. Nothing special on OBV. Even if you zoom in, you can see, well, okay, it's going sideways. So the only warning sign is on RSI. We can get multiple warning signs until the market will break down. So we touched 61.8 with some bearish divergence. We don't have any M, not even on 4 hour chart. Yeah, we had a 3-bar fractal top. Okay, it's confirmed, but let's look something like this: higher highs and higher lows. I don't see any change, not even on 4 hour chart. Yeah, daily looks even stronger. So we can push higher. Our focus should not be specifically on Bitcoin, but on some altcoins, because they are pumping like crazy. Some of them, they are doing nice things. By the way, guys, if you have requests, please type in the chat as usual. I see 10 people here. If you have any requests, please type and I'll answer at the end of the live stream. Okay, so I'm expecting either range, either pushing higher in the short reload zone, and then AM. Yeah, we have weakness signs, but that doesn't mean anything because we are just below 61.8. And okay, if the market was bearish, touch 61.8 and breaking down, but no, weak retracement and is pushing back up. That means strength in my view. Ethereum on 4 hour chart, similar. Bearish divergence here. Buy the rumor or sell the rumor, buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news. I don't know, but I still think we have some liquidity to sweep here. Nothing special. I don't think it's okay to short here. Yeah, it's not okay to buy anymore on higher time frame, but here is like a diamond pattern. It's consolidating, and my opinion that Bitcoin will behave, this one will push higher. Yeah, I saw a lot of Ethereum, it's pushed on exchanges, but seems like it's absorbed really nice. Bitcoin dominance. Well, dominance, unfortunately, is still in the range and is painting some W's. We need clear M's. Maybe we need to push higher and then to break down. For the moment, is not breaking down. So what that tells me about altcoins: strong altcoins with fundamentals or news or something in front of them. Let's assume that next week we'll have some event. Well, that one will probably pump. Some altcoins will pump really nice. The rest of them will just lag behind Bitcoin. They'll still grow against dollar, but lagging behind the Bitcoin. When you'll see Yams, then that means that maybe altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. For the moment, not the case. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You can see, like I said, dominance up. Ethereum versus Bitcoin is aiming out. We have some M's, even a big one. Overall, it's a range, but last price action, you can see M's. Morning, Christian. DXY testing the support. If you remember, I said playing around between these three levels. Well, we are at the support one, the lower one. I think we can even fake out a little bit to the downside, but will bounce. Why I'm saying that? Well, look at this. We have some bullish divergence on RSI and the last move to the downside. Okay, that's the overview. Not too many things we can say. We should watch this chart. We should watch Bitcoin on 4-hour daily chart. Pretty clean. I could see AB equals CD, the last one here. AB equals CD. That will point out exactly in the 69 area. Okay, let's take a look at some lower time frame altcoins. Starting with Bitcoin. Well, you remember yesterday I posted this trade, this YAM, breaking down, a retest, nice clean setup. We touched 2-1. We touched the first level of house, but as you can see, we fight it at this level and we accepted above. We have a W, breakout, retest, and pushing higher. And we are above Monday high again. Was a good fighting zone, but if you know how to scalp here, if you don't know, this ugly behavior will destroy your portfolio. We made some money on the short side. I bet that most of you took, even before 2-1, took some profit off. What I did at 1-1, I scratched the trade. Close 50%. Stop loss is still here. Let's see what will happen. Now, that's Bitcoin. I don't see a new setup. Actually, I see a new setup, but I don't know how to find. Okay, let's do this one. So it's the same chart, just the spot market. And I want to show you something, and I don't want to delete the ink here. So I'll go on spot, and I'll show you something. This is a swing low. This is a swing high. We'll take the tool here, and we'll do something like this. Who knows where I'm going with this one? Okay. Below 33, above 66, valid. Clone this one, put it here, second part, there you go. So, this is the bot setup. And well, maybe we can outperform and touch 69. Trail some until 69, 70k. But we have a bot setup here. 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, 4 lows. Too many lows. So we have some to protect our stop loss. It's up to you if you put a limit order or you trade that setup. If you have it in your plan, if you are a day trader, this is a day trade. It's a 1 hour chart. Should be over until the end of the day. Usually is over until the end of the day. Sometimes you have to wait until next day, or you close the trade overnight. But the setup is here. The rest is up to you guys. Okay, we started here. I said what I did with this trade. We are at the Monday high here, fighting. Let's see who will win. Ethereum. Yesterday you saw me in the New York session drawing this diamond pattern, and you can see AB equals CD, diamond pattern, AB, CD. Well, that's done already. AB, consolidating, diamond pattern, CD. W's pushing higher. Pretty simple stuff. So the market is respecting the technical analysis. The problem is on our side if we are not making money in this market. Here we had even a YAM, the first YAM, the other side of the trend line. Okay, we had the YAM, we had 2 to 1, so valid LJ here. Well, now similar thing we can say about this one as on Bitcoin. No. If you take this swing low and this swing high, you should play here a general setup. It's too deep. It's not a bot setup anymore. I don't have a setup on Ethereum on this time frame on 1 hour chart. I just don't. Let's see, Pixel. Well, let's zoom out. I hope everyone made nice money on this one. I hope everyone made nice money on this altcoin. You had the opportunity to take this trade. It's up to you. 6 to 1. I still have it. Let's see what will happen. Solana, 4 hour chart. As you can see here, we are touching short reload zones similar with Bitcoin. Pretty strong. So if we don't touch pump chaser zone, nothing I can do. It's too late for me to long. We have some spot bags. That's good. For a short, I need deeper in the short reload zone. So below 61.8 is a no touch zone for me. Scalpers, well, you have an EM here and a retest. If you consider that one without location, let's see 15-minute chart. Okay. So you have some EMs, breakdown, W retesting of the neckline. It's up to you. I will not take a trade like this because this is actually a range and it's not over yet. I don't like to play like this, but could be something there. Back on 4 hour chart. Joe, similar, but still at the resistance level. Clean that up, push higher, retest, and I'll be okay. Dimension, well, hope you made some money here with the bot setup. I was trying to outsmart to take this W and I never got a retest here. But the bot setup was a valid one, textbook one, and you can see how fast I reached the take profit. Aevo, similar. I don't think someone could complain about this one. Yeah, really nice trade. Ton, I don't like it. It's all over the place. Okay, was bullish. Everyone was speaking about it. Could push higher, but I just don't like it here for a trade. For investment, slowly dollar cost averaging because it's too bullish. Okay. Manta. Well, we posted the trade from Monday, if I remember correctly. I posted this one. I posted this one. Everyone should be in profit. We have more than 2 to 1 if you took this one. You have 1 to 1 if you took the other one. It's up to you what you do from now on. Huh? This trade has a target here. It's a 5 to 1 and this one it's a 7 to 1, but it's targeting a lot higher. This one is mostly a swing trade on higher time frame. I want a W, but the market is too damn strong here on Pyth. Power of 3, maybe, but I don't see a good setup here. What I can do here, W, clear W on the other side, okay? Or bump chasers, give me a W here. And I could think about it. Alt, we said something, if we'll accept, if we'll accept above the range, breakout and retest, that happened already. It's too late now. You can chase it with pump chaser zone, a retest of this level now. If it will happen, you can get that one. If you are already long and you manage to take the trade at the retest, well then enjoy and trail the rest. E-gold, I don't know how the fuck managed to stop us out, and it's pushing higher, of course. E-gold is pretty bullish, was pretty strong, was one of the first one pumping. So okay, they'll try to pump and dump to shake out some people, but you can see it's pumping. Fat, unfortunately I missed this one. I was in a doubt. I was thinking about if this is the new coin or is not, it's permanent or is not, and I didn't took any W here. It's pushing higher. I'll chase? No, I'll just wait. This is a big range here. So let's wait. If we'll come back to our area, why not? Let's buy it. But I'm not chasing here. We have some. I don't see the point for us to chase or to do anything here. Don't short. Just don't try to short something like this. Not. Well, bot setup, as you can see, is still above the entry. Valid setup. Will take longer time to develop. Doesn't matter. The trade is there. Hit my stop loss or take my take profit. It's that simple. I don't have any hurry. I don't have to close this trade until tomorrow. I'll close it if we'll hit my take profit or my stop loss, but nothing else. I don't see any requests, guys. Anyone wants me to take a look at anything? Until then, let's look at what we have on Holy Grail. I told you guys, I suspect that most of you are from Premium. Most of you have Holy Grail access. Start playing with Holy Grail. It's profitable. Look at this one. 5-1, pushing higher. Anything else I should do? No. Maybe put my stop loss here or a bit lower. Maybe. But if you guys don't have time to trade on 5-minute chart, not a problem. Let me show you something. Let's go on 15-minute chart. Same setups, nothing else. Well, you can see you had some entries on this one. Let's see the next one. Well, you had some entries and even better respected than on 5-minute chart. Less noise. So this was your first entry. This was your second entry. You had a lot of entries and market is pushing higher. Let's take the next one. Yeah, 15-minute chart. Look at this one. Yeah, so you can make some money. It's the right environment to start using Holy Grail. Look at this one. Okay, you missed some entries. Not a problem. Wait for the next one. Look at this nice thing. You see? Entries here, stop loss here. Okay, in profit. Entry here. Well, you are deep in profit. And I could go on and on a lot of altcoins. They are looking similar. Yeah, this one didn't start it yet. Look at this one. Yeah? Entries. Taking stop loss in profit is not a bad idea. So what I'm trying to say here is that the market is strong. Some good uptrends are forming on altcoins, and some of them. Take advantage. If you are not a 5-minute guy, okay, stay on 15-minute, 30-minute chart. Take the entry, put your stop loss, and just forget about it. Wait. A 50-minute chart will take between 3 or 4 hours and 2 or 3 days to finish the trade. Yeah? The longer and the stronger the trend, the better for you, because you can trail and you can get more than 10 hours on a trade. The problem is you. Why? Because you'll be tempted to take the profit a lot sooner than you should. You are not comfortable with trailing. That's a problem. You'll see 3-1 and you'll fear that the market will go back down to your entry. And you'll take the profit. And then market will go 10 or more or 20. Yeah, it's a strong market. You can see it is forming. You can take an entry. You'll get stopped out. Doesn't matter. Try again if you see the uptrend. Opportunity is here on altcoins. Take it or leave it. It's up to you. You have access on Holy Grail. Enjoy it if you know how to play that one. Yeah, a lot of them, they are looking damn strong. It's totally up to you. Well, that's Holy Grail. I'll play on 5-minute chart, and then when it's time to move my stop loss, like in this case. Yeah. So my entry was on 5-minute chart. Now my stop loss should be here on 15-minute chart, and keep trailing 15-minute chart. Yeah. I could go on 30-minute chart, but I think it's okay with 50-minute chart because I see well-respected uptrend on this time frame. The rest is up to you guys. I cannot come at your house and sell and buy in your place. And respect risk management and everything. No. By the way, people who want to learn to swing trade, to trade like us, we'll do couple one probably starting late August, early September. Yeah? Only one program this year, and I don't know what will happen next year. We don't have time for more than that. So take advantage if you want. After the payment, you will get free access until the program will start. You will get free access on premium. So it's like a bonus. Yeah? The price is still at minimum. It's $1,000, and you can benefit from the referral. If I don't know, if you get a friend, he will get, or you will get 10% off. It's up to you. I think it's the damn good offer. We don't have time to do more than that. It's not about money, because we limit ourselves at 20 people, because that's a comfortable spot. If you split that, you'll understand it's not about money, it's about learning how to trade. The rest is up to you guys. Okay, that's with Holy Grail calendar. We have some news about euro in just 1 hour, or 1 hour and 15 minutes before the New York session will start. So for the moment, I think we are safe to scalp. On the meme coins part, or Solana coins, not meme, this is not a meme coin. Look at this one. Just look at this one. It's below 88.6. It's testing the lows here. You can see support, resistance. It's at some point was $4.5, and now it's 28 cents. It's consolidating, is making W's. I think it's a fucking good area to buy it. You can see bounce here, another long reload zone from that bounce. Could go lower. Well, yeah, we can test these levels, but the difference is not too big anymore. Dollar cost average, do something. Don't sell your house to buy whales, but they have a working product. So, I don't know, you should have some exposure if you have some Solana, or you are playing on Solana ecosystem. Don't ask me where to buy this one after we'll go above $1. Please don't do that. Okay. It's just an example. Twitter, well, not too many things about Twitter. Relatively quiet, what I could say. Relatively quiet. People are not trusting this pump on Bitcoin. That's good. That's good for Bitcoin, for the long part. Fear and greed index. In the weekend was 25, now is 61. It's cooling off a little bit. Like I said yesterday, maybe it was a bit too far, too fast, and it's not good. If we'll get from extreme fear to extreme greed, not good for us. But you can see we are cooling off. 69, 61. If we'll stay in this area, 50, 60, that could be really nice for an altcoin season on strong altcoins, and maybe Bitcoin pushing higher. Maybe. Okay. Anything else? If you have any questions, please type in the chat. If not, I'll close the live stream and I'll go trade with VIP guys. No? No questions? That's good. Well, it's expected when I do a live stream every day, day in, day out. People will ask their question, and anyway, it's not too much interested in crypto at this point in time. So you have Bitcoin close to all-time high, altcoins at a big discount, and public is not interested. What do you think will happen next? I'm not saying next week. I'm saying in general. What do you think will happen? The market will dump? To dump on who? We don't have public. If you want to dump on someone, you have to have someone to dump. If you'll try to dump now, you'll destroy everything. So I think we can push higher, at least on some strong altcoins. Okay, guys, that's about it from my part. See you tomorrow morning with the same live stream, or in the New York session if you are a premium member. See you. Bye bye.